When I think about comfort food, I always think about potatoes. It's such a versatile ingredient. Today we're making crispy smashed potatoes, which are going to be crispy from the outside, gooey on top with a little bit of cheese. Let's see how it's done. Today I'm using baby potatoes. I'm going to boil them in the pressure cooker for 1 whistle. I'm directly adding it to the water. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of salt while boiling the potatoes to make sure they're seasoned well from within. As soon as I see some steam, I'm going to close the pressure cooker. While the potatoes are boiling, let's make our flavored butter. I'm going to start with 1 teaspoon of oil. Once the oil heats up, add 4 to 5 cloves of garlic that have been chopped. Once you start seeing a little bit of color on the garlic, add in 1 tablespoon of butter. This is salted butter, along with some chopped coriander. When you fry this in oil and butter, the coriander will stay nice and green. This already smells so good. After this bubbles for a while, switch off the flame and add in red chili flakes. This is around 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes and 1 teaspoon of pizza seasoning. This flavored butter can also be used on breads to make it nice and tasty. As soon as the potatoes are done, take them out of the water and place them in a bowl. Place the potatoes on a tray a little apart from each other so that they have enough space in between them. This will ensure that the air circulates properly between these channels and crisps up the potato properly. Let's smash the potatoes with a potato smasher. I like to keep the skin on the potatoes because these really crisp up very well. But if you don't want them, you can always take them out. It's easier to peel the skin once they have been boiled. Seasoned potatoes always taste much better, so I'm going to add a little more salt to these. Spoon over the flavored butter along with the bits and pieces of garlic, red chili flakes and coriander. This already looks so delicious. Garlic and potatoes are a match made in heaven. The potatoes smell amazing already, but we're going to make them super crispy by baking them at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes till they are nice and golden brown. The kitchen smells amazing right now. You can really smell the garlic and potatoes and the butter. Now I'm going to top off these crispy potatoes with some mozzarella cheese. You can use any cheese of your choice. Time to bake this again at 200 degrees Celsius for 5 more minutes till the cheese melts completely. I'm going to garnish this with some more chili flakes and some chopped coriander to bring a pop of color to these crispy potatoes. If you're planning to host a tea party this monsoon season, definitely try these out. They're going to be a hit in your party. Serve it when it's nice, crispy and hot. I'll see you next time.